In about the time it takes your aircraft to cruise 10 miles, you can set up the world's most comfortable, fully reclining sleep surface. The JetBed. Easy to carry, easy to stow, and ready to go. In just a few steps, anyone can assemble a JetBed the first time, every time.
First, clear the cabin floor between the two opposing seats and place the JetBed custom carry bag between them. Then, unzip the bag, folding the cover in the direction of the exterior cabin wall.
Locate the air pump and nozzle stowed in the interior pockets of the carry bag. Connect the nozzle to the side of the rechargeable 12-volt pump. Remove and retain the red filler port cover. Then insert the pump into the filler port. Start the pump and inflate the JetBed foundation.
Unfold the head and foot mattress ends over the opposing seats. Typical inflation will take under a minute, depending upon your inflation comfort level, plush to extra firm.
JetBed has a specialized valve ensuring the bed can't be overinflated. The JetBed is specifically designed to handle aircraft cabin pressure, and the patented air bladder is built to contour to the sidewalls of each aircraft.
Total installation time is less than 2 minutes.
Unlike other sleep systems, JetBed offers a completely flat surface, so you don't have to worry about feeling any seat contours.
Maximize your JetBed comfort by adjusting the inflation valve located on the air bladder.
The majority of JetBeds weigh less than 20 pounds.
The most comfortable, restful sleep you'll ever get on a jet. The JetBed also meets all Burn certification requirements and is produced to the highest aviation standards.
Stowing your JetBed is even easier. Attach the nozzle to the top fitting of the pump. Then undo the red filler port cover, setting it aside for later. Insert the nozzle into the filler valve and release the inflated foundation. Remove the nozzle and replace the red filler port cover. Fold the top and bottom mattress length together, stow the nozzle and the 12-volt pump. Now re-zip the carry bag and you're done.
JetBed, the comfortable way to fly.